Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Learner Podcast. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tom. This podcast helps you practice English by listening to simple and natural conversations.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new episodes.
Today we have a very common and useful topic for daily conversations.
Yes, today we are going to talk about your weekend.
Talking about the weekend is something people do all the time. It's a great way to start a friendly conversation.
That's right. On Monday morning, people often ask questions like, "How was your weekend?" or "What did you do last weekend?"
These questions are simple, but they help people connect and share their experiences.
And when you answer, you usually use the past tense because the weekend already happened.
For example, someone might say, "I visited my parents," or "I watched a movie at home."
Yes, or they might say, "I went shopping," or "I met some friends for dinner."
Weekends are special because many people don't have to work or go to school.
That means people have more free time to relax, enjoy hobbies, and spend time with family and friends.
Anna, let me ask you a question. What do you usually do on the weekend?
On weekends, I usually try to relax because weekdays are often busy.
That's very true. Many people feel tired after a long week of work or study.
Yes, so the weekend is a perfect time to rest and recharge.
Do you usually wake up early on weekends, or do you sleep a little longer?
Honestly, I usually sleep a little longer than usual. It feels nice to wake up without an alarm clock.
I completely understand. Sleeping a little more on weekends can help people feel refreshed.
After I wake up, I usually make breakfast and enjoy a slow and quiet morning.
That sounds very relaxing. What kind of breakfast do you like on weekends?
Sometimes I make something simple like toast and eggs, and sometimes I enjoy fruit and coffee.
That sounds delicious. I also enjoy a relaxed breakfast on weekends because during weekdays I often eat very quickly.
Exactly. Weekends allow us to slow down and enjoy simple moments.
After breakfast, do you usually stay at home or go out?
It depends on how I feel. Sometimes I stay at home and read a book or watch a movie.
Staying at home can be very comfortable, especially after a busy week.
Yes, and it's a good way to relax and recharge my energy.
Do you ever go out with friends on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I meet friends for lunch or coffee. It's always nice to catch up and talk about life.
I agree. Meeting friends is one of the best ways to enjoy the weekend.
What about you, Tom? What do you usually do on weekends?
My weekends are usually a mix of relaxing and doing fun activities.
That sounds interesting. Can you tell us more about it?
Sure. Sometimes I sleep a little later, then I go outside for a walk or ride my bicycle.
Riding a bicycle sounds like a great way to enjoy the weekend.
Yes, it helps me stay active and also allows me to explore different parts of the city.
Do you usually go alone or do you go with friends?
Sometimes I go alone because it helps me relax and think. Other times I go with friends, which is also very fun.
That's great. Weekends are really about balance, relaxing, spending time with people, and doing things we enjoy.
Exactly. Everyone has their own way of spending the weekend, and that's what makes conversations about weekends so interesting.
Another common thing people do on weekends is spending time with family. After a busy week, many people enjoy being with their loved ones.
That's very true. Some families like to eat meals together, watch movies, or simply talk and relax at home.
Family time can be very meaningful because during weekdays, everyone is often busy with work or school.
Exactly. The weekend gives people a chance to reconnect and enjoy time together.
Some families also like to go out together on weekends. They might visit a park, a shopping mall, or a restaurant.
Yes, going out together can be a fun activity. It also helps people relax and change their routine.
For example, some families enjoy having lunch at a restaurant or trying new food.
Others may go to a movie theater to watch a new film together.
Another popular weekend activity is shopping. Many people go to supermarkets or shopping centers to buy things they need.
That's right. Some people do their grocery shopping for the whole week on Saturday or Sunday.
And sometimes shopping is not only about buying things. People also enjoy walking around and looking at different stores.
I agree. It can be a fun way to spend time, especially when you go with friends.
Sometimes people also look for discounts or special sales during the weekend.
Yes, many stores offer special promotions on weekends, so it's a good time to shop.
Some people also use the weekend to clean their house or organize things at home.
Yes, cleaning and organizing can make the home feel more comfortable and peaceful.
Even though it may sound like work, it can actually feel very satisfying when everything is clean.
I completely agree. A clean and tidy space can help people relax more easily.
Another thing many people like to do on weekends is cooking.
That's a great activity. During weekdays, people often cook simple meals because they are busy.
But on weekends, they may have more time to try new recipes or cook special dishes.
Cooking can also be a fun activity to do with family or friends.
Yes, preparing food together and then enjoying the meal can be a wonderful experience.
Some people also like to bake cakes, cookies, or bread during the weekend.
That sounds delicious. Baking can be relaxing and creative at the same time.
Another common weekend activity is exercising or playing sports.
For example, people may play football, basketball, badminton, or go jogging.
Exercise helps people stay healthy and also improves their mood.
Some people also go to the gym on weekends because they have more free time.
Others prefer outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, or walking in a park.
Outdoor activities are great because they help people stay active and enjoy fresh air.
They also help people forget about work and reduce stress.
Exactly. Even a short walk in a park can make someone feel refreshed and happier.
Some people also use the weekend to learn something new.
That's true. They might learn a new language, practice music, or watch educational videos.
Learning new things can make the weekend both fun and productive.
Weekends are really a time for people to do things they enjoy and recharge their energy.
And everyone has different interests, so weekend activities can be very different from person to person.
Some people prefer quiet weekends at home, while others like exciting activities outside.
Both are great choices. The important thing is that people enjoy their time and feel relaxed before the new week begins. Another interesting thing about weekends is that people often have traditions or routines they follow every week.
That's true. Some people like to start their weekend with a special breakfast on Saturday morning.
Yes, they might cook pancakes, eggs, toast, or enjoy a cup of coffee while relaxing at home.
A slow and peaceful morning can help people feel calm and happy after a busy week.
Some people also like to watch their favorite TV shows or movies on weekends.
That's a very common activity. Watching a movie at home can be a great way to relax and forget about stress.
Especially when you watch it with friends or family and maybe enjoy some snacks.
Exactly. Popcorn, chips, or fruit can make the movie experience even more enjoyable.
Another popular weekend activity is visiting new places in the city.
Yes, some people like exploring new cafes, restaurants, parks, or markets.
Exploring the city can be exciting because you might discover places you have never seen before.
Some people also like visiting museums, art galleries, or cultural events.
That's a great way to learn new things and enjoy interesting experiences.
Weekends are also a good time for people to catch up on things they didn't finish during the week.
For example, they might finish reading a book, complete some personal projects, or organize their home.
Some people also take time to organize their schedules and prepare for the upcoming week.
Planning the week ahead can help people feel more organized and less stressed.
Yes, some people like to write a to-do list for the next week on Sunday evening.
That way, they know what tasks they need to complete when Monday arrives.
Another thing people often do on weekends is spend time on hobbies.
Hobbies can be very different depending on the person.
Some people enjoy painting, playing music, gardening, or taking photographs.
Others may enjoy playing video games, building models, or practicing sports.
Hobbies are important because they help people relax and express their creativity.
They also help people forget about stress and focus on something enjoyable.
Some people also like to spend their weekends learning something new.
For example, they might watch educational videos, read interesting articles, or practice a new skill.
Learning something new can make the weekend both fun and productive.
Another popular activity is meeting friends.
Yes, many people meet their friends at cafes, restaurants, or parks during the weekend.
They talk, laugh, share stories, and enjoy their time together.
Social time is very important because it helps people feel connected and happy.
Some people also like to travel during the weekend, even if it's just a short trip.
Yes, short trips to nearby towns, beaches, mountains, or nature spots can be very refreshing.
It doesn't always have to be a long vacation. Even a day trip can be exciting and memorable.
That's right. Seeing new places and experiencing something different can make the weekend feel special.
Some people also enjoy quiet weekends at home.
Yes, they may spend time reading, listening to music, or simply relaxing.
Quiet weekends can help people recharge their energy and feel peaceful.
Everyone has their own way of enjoying the weekend.
And that's why conversations about weekends are always interesting, because everyone has different experiences.
Weekends are really a time to enjoy life, relax, and do things we love.
And when Monday comes, people often feel more refreshed and ready to start a new week.
Another important part of weekends is taking care of yourself. Sometimes people forget to relax or do things they enjoy because they are busy.
That's true. Weekends are a perfect time to focus on yourself, whether it's exercising, reading, or simply resting.
Self-care can also include doing small activities that make you happy, like taking a warm bath, listening to music, or going for a walk.
Yes, these simple activities can help people feel more relaxed and ready for the new week.
Another tip is to enjoy nature whenever possible. Going to a park, a garden, or even sitting outside in the sun can improve mood and energy.
Nature helps people feel calm and refreshed. Even a short walk outside can make a big difference.
Some people also use the weekend to reflect on their week. They think about what they achieved and what they want to do next week.
That's a great habit. Reflection helps people stay organized and motivated.
Another thing people do is spend time on creative hobbies like drawing, writing, or cooking.
Creative activities are fun and relaxing, and they also help people feel proud of themselves.
Some people also volunteer or help others during the weekend. Doing something kind can make the weekend feel meaningful.
Yes, helping others can make people feel happy and satisfied, and it's good for mental health too.
Another important thing is social connections. Spending time with friends and family can reduce stress and make people feel supported.
Even a short chat or phone call with someone you care about can improve your mood.
Weekends are really about balance, relaxing, spending time with others, enjoying hobbies, and taking care of yourself.
Everyone has their own way of enjoying the weekend, and all of these activities help people feel refreshed and ready for the new week.
We hope today's conversation gave you ideas about how to talk about your weekend in English and also inspired you to enjoy your own weekends.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Learner podcast. Remember, talking about your experiences is a great way to practice English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our future episodes, and share this podcast with your friends who want to learn English too.
Take care, enjoy your weekends, and keep practicing your English. See you in the next episode.